Hi, it's me Shivanshi from Plastic Studio Magazine, and you're watching me on Plastic Studio channel. And right now we are at GCPRS exhibition in Delhi. So let's talk with some exhibitors. Hi sir, firstly good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon, madam.
Your introduction to our viewers.
Yeah, I am Sudhir Dikshit. I am representing Chiripal Polyfilms. And as Chiripal Polyfilms, we are into flexible packaging, BOPP, BOPET film. We are into textile also. But now we are aggressively focusing on PET recycling. Actually, as Chiripal, we are into textile, we are into education, we have around 100 of schools around the India. We are into packaging, we are into renewable energy also, and we have our production facility at Ahmedabad, at Hyderabad, and now new facility started in Jammu Kathua. And at Jammu we have three products, one BOPP packaging, one aluminum foil, and the recycling facility there. There we are going to start the production of RPET, bottle grade PET resin. The used PET bottles we will recycle it and we will make the bottle grade food grade PET chips. So all the brand owners going to use that bottles to make the again bottle and sell the cold drinks and all this.
Like, how's your experience about this GCPRS exhibition? Like, it's the third day of this exhibition. So what you want to say about it?
Yeah, experience at GCPRS is very good. That's we are meeting with the customers, our suppliers, and mainly the networking. And we see the people are more focusing, more interested for the recycling. All the stakeholders, all the users, even the government officials also. So it's very good.
What you think about future of plastic recycling industry?
Yeah, recycling industry going to be the biggest industry in India. What we are watching, you can just I am telling you, the PET bottles in 95% bottles we are recycling. So this is the biggest rate around the world. And other plastic also, as in India, we are focusing on the recycling as on today more. So this is going to the biggest industry in India, and we are recycling more than any country of the world in plastic as on today in India.
So how is GCPRS helping other industries for growth?
So GCPRS is a platform to so we all the brand owners, suppliers, technology suppliers, producers meet at one platform to have a networking, have interact together. So anyway, it's helping to each and everybody who into plastic industry.
One advice to the entrepreneurs who wants to enter in this plastic industry.
The plastic is good material. It has to be used with the properly, responsibly. That's plastic is not the any negative. This is the material saving us like a COVID during COVID time or wherever we are. Without plastic, it's not easy to survive even for the food. Somebody transferring the food from Chennai to Delhi. It's in the plastic packaging only you can transfer the food or fruits from one city to other city, one country to other country. So plastic is good material, have to be used responsibly.
It was great talking to you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, madam.